So, thanks to the internet workload that's going on for all the Insta viewers, we are back again, take two with Serena Jaitley, and we are again talking about season's greetings. So, after this funny story, I'm sure you have many more things to ask her. Hi, Kapoor, Gaurav, hi, Royal, and okay, let me just add Serena for our take two. We're waiting for her. Hello, welcome back.
Hi, I'm back.
Take two.
Take two, exactly.
Hi, Amanda. So, okay, a lot of people want to know that, how did, like, obviously, we know the fine story now that you had to pay a 2000 dirhams fine for the narration.
Yeah.
So, how did you, I'm sure when you heard the story, it was, it's been such a long break and you were getting back to cinema. So, how did you immediately take a decision to get back with this movie? Like, what was the thought process? We want to know all of it.
See, firstly, to Ram is a friend. So, do you know that trust factor was always there as a friend? You can trust a friend for when you do something as important as the so called comeback film. So, that was there. But I think initially I never wanted to come back to cinema. And yes, I took a break forever in 2012. It was my mom's last wish that I returned to cinema. So that's the reason. It was on my mind that maybe I should do a film, and that's when Ram came to Dubai just shortly after mom's demise. And then when he narrated the subject to me, somehow, that typical filmy thing was happening. This is a sign, ting, this is a sign, ting. Firstly, it is LGBT. It is a LGBT inclusive film. It's not a film for rights, but it is an inclusive film. It's about
True.
all sorts of relationships. It had, I've been an LGBT activist all my life, literally. Then it was a film in which the first time a trans person is being cast in a trans role. Then again, I've always, as I said before, I've always stood up for LGBTQIA people, especially I have a very soft corner for the trans community. And this was great. And then the movie was about it revolves around a beautiful aspect of a mother-daughter's very contemporary approach to a mother-daughter relationship.
True.
And I felt that all the boxes were, there was a tick.
Yeah.
And just before my film, Season's Greetings, Ram had just made this lovely short film called Cake Walk with my dear friend Aisha Deol. And I thought that it was such a beautiful celebration of the emancipation of women. And I obviously, with seeing that movie, there was no doubt in Ram's capability as a director. It was a tribute to Rituparna Ghosh. Again, a very big ting, 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 because I was going to work with Rituda just before he passed away. I was expecting when he had called me my first set of twins at that time. And when Rituda called me, I was pregnant, and it was like, the director you love the most, and always every actor's dream come true
Dream
falls
to
true,
work,
and
yeah.
you are pregnant with twins, unable to even walk. So Rituda said, "Don't worry, Selena. You get over the pregnancy. Take a few months, and then we can work on another subject together. And I will call you." And we did speak when his father passed away. And next thing, few months down the line, I hear he's no more. So that was very shocking, and that was an unsaid story. So all these things sort of were coming together in one unique project, which was being made by a dear friend. And I was like, this is a big sign that this is the film I should, return with to fulfill mom's wish. And of course, I'm so glad I did this film because people have loved the film. The critics loved the film. And I couldn't ask for a blessing bigger than this.
True. It looks like all the angels up there, including your mom, including Purna Ghosh director. All of them have worked together to get you this thing. Because
Yeah,
when I'm hearing
really.
the story, it looks like it was made in heaven
And
for you.
Dubai police.
Oh yeah, Dubai police supported it. They just stand and feel कि तुमको ये करना पड़ेगा. You don't have a choice. They made sure it also reached your husband so that you didn't have to tell him, he actually approached you that what the hell is happening?
Poor Peter. He's like, Peter's very used to Ram and me up to no good, because I remember Ram and me, and we all went for a long trip to Egypt. I am the tourism ambassador of Egypt as well. And that's the first time Ram made a short film of me while we went, to various beautiful sites of Egypt, like the pyramids, the Temple of Isis, the Sun Temple, the Karnak temples, and he
Wow.
made this beautiful. I didn't even know when he filmed me and when he made this film, and he sent me this 1 minute film when we reached back to our respective countries after we were done with the trip. And I said, ये पिक्चर तो बहुत अच्छी है, but 1 minute में मेरा क्या होगा? Ram, you should really become a director. That was the first time I teased him. He used to be editor of Stardust magazine those days. And that's the first time I told him, listen, you are meant to be a director, not now you
Yeah,
have to
so
give up your beautiful
that's
journalism
what he's
days.
messaging now. So sweet of you. But where can we see this 1 minute video of Egypt?
Are, yeah, I have to post it. I've been meaning to post it. I thought, chalo, towards the end of season's greetings promotion, I'll definitely post that video.
So I think now you should post it very soon. Now that we've
Yeah, it's a
spoken
good
about
idea.
it, and
Shweta,
all
I
of
will
us want to watch it. So everyone, you all know now that you all have to go and see the video because she's gonna post it really soon. And I think though that would be actually the debut, right, of you and Ram if you're going to see the Egypt movie.
Yeah, that's
But
Ram's
yeah,
debut.
but he won't be able to see it because of poor network. He's saying. No wonder he said I'm going to come live post lockdown.
Yeah, he's been having lot of problems with network. He has to go to his balcony and talk to me every time. So I always keep teasing him, listen, go to your balcony, I'm gonna call you.
So now I know when he's replying to the tweets and the stories, he's gone to the balcony. So when you read the script and when I was watching the movie, it is very poetic. Like it's more of like be the background score. Even every frame is like a poem in itself. So how was it when you read it and when you saw the final product?
This is the first time I was sent a script on the day I signed a film. Okay, and the script remained the same till the day I finished the film. So all the effort that an actor spends in reading a script and going through the dialogues and making them a part of their being, it really worked, because this was the first time in my entire career that I was actually working with a team, working with a director who was very particular that a script has been written, it has been modified, and only then, when all the changes have been made, does the script go to the artists. And we did a lot of workshops, and we worked a lot. Especially, I was very nervous because I was going up against really confrontational dialogues with a thespian from theater, like Lilette
Yeah,
Dubrow.
like
And she's such a brilliant actor, such a strong actor. Her last film was opposite Richard Gere, and then I was going to act with her. So and I was also coming back. I had taken a big break, and I was coming back. I was really nervous that, she'll be seeing me, and somehow living abroad for so many years, even though you don't want that to happen, you do get a certain twang in your language, the way you speak. Your Hindi does get affected by speaking either English or another foreign language. And that problem also I suffered a little bit, so I had to work a lot on returning back to my original way of speaking. So I was working a lot with Ram from Dubai with that, and I had a very good friend who was also from Pakistan. So they speak very good Urdu. So I went back to my Urdu roots because I am from Lucknow. So I went back to my Urdu roots, and only Urdu was spoken at home. Hindi is actually a bit weak, but Urdu
okay.
is good. Only Urdu was spoken at home. So I did go back to those roots, and it was really, really nice to be able to use that as a base to. And I really enjoyed working. Every step was very, very enjoyable for the film.
Yeah, that is reflected in the movie. Like when you see the vibe just catches on to the audience, I'm sure, because every scene, be it, and even be it you and Lilith ma'am, you'll look like mother daughter who are meeting after so long, and you'll have how many confrontations and all
Like
of that. Like
typical
it just
mom and daughter
reflects
always having
typical mom and daughter.
She
I'm sure
reminded me so
soon
much
down
of
the
my
line
mom
will be.
also. Always into trouble with the mom.
I'm sure right now my mom also must be agreeing to this on the line,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all the moms.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
a lot
that
of
one.
people are very happy that you've come back, and we have been constantly getting messages that they're so happy with you coming back, and they're so happy to watch this movie, and they want to see a lot more of you. Hello, Sharma ji, welcome to our live chat. So, is there something else that we're going to see sometime soon? Because now we've welcomed you back, and we want to see you more often.
No, definitely. I mean, I think my mom knew me better than I did, because she says once you face the camera again, you will realize how much you love cinema. And I say, you know more than me, mom. She says, yes, I made you. I know you more than. And I use that dialogue with my boys a lot nowadays. Whenever I have to emotionally blackmail them, na, I made
The
you, and I
line.
know how to fix you. You know?
So, mom gave you the line.
Yeah. Though they laugh at me if I say anything in Hindi, my boys laugh at me because they find it very funny when I say "Keech ke thappad marungi" or anything like that. They start laughing at me. All these three little half Austrians, they start laughing at me.
So,
So
tell.
yeah, go ahead. What were you saying?
So, like, when you tell them in Hindi and they
Yeah.
start laughing, so do you like immediately switch to German or something to get the
No, no.
seriousness?
You know, when गुस्सा आता है तो अपनी language में ही आता है at
हाँ.
the end of the day. Then the jhadu and every thappad, everything comes out. So I tell them, and they, if I tell them खींच के थप्पड़ मारूंगी, they said, "Mommy, should we bring a jhadu for you?" We need a jhadu. I said, "What nonsense!" I'm making fun of me, the boys. So I am really looking, coming back to the question that you asked me. I'm looking at, I would love to do another script, but a script of the same level. I have done a lot of cinema, and I love to do a comedy like No Entry again, you know.
I was just
It,
about to say that, like no entry, especially the last scene where everyone is down the mountain and all are
Oh
pulling from.
God, that movie was madness. I mean, really, I really enjoyed doing that film a lot. Until today, what the best thing about that film is, still today it entertains people in such a phenomenal way that
Yeah, you can
every
just
time
watch
it's on
it.
any channel, I get so many messages on social media and everything. Oh, we're watching No Entry. People are clicking pictures from there because they really, it makes them laugh, and it makes me laugh also. It was my dad's favorite film of me, so that is also. So I would love to do a film like that. I would love to uh, stick to the genre which Ram Kamal has set a very high standard for me to do. I would love to do scripts like this.
So,
um,
Colorbox is saying that she loves you a lot for your causes, and is super happy that you were part of such a strong cause movie. And the best part, like you said, the cause is inclusive. It's not really, the way the movie is made, it is something which is happening everywhere, and it's a part of us. So, it's a part of us.
Yeah, yeah, it was not meant to be. Okay, we are standing up for a right. Every relationship, whether it's gay or straight or trans, has been treated as a real relationship in the film. It's got nothing to do, and that's the most important thing when you want to make a stance, when you want to make a point, is to treat it not as an LGBT film, but to treat it as a relationship film. That all relationships have their own ups and downs, all
True.
relationships have their own trials and tribulations, and so does I know what it, a gay relationship could be as intense as a straight relationship, or the relationship that I shared with my on-screen co-star Azhar Khan. It is, he's a Muslim boy, I'm a Bengali Hindu girl in the film, and
Yeah,
you
and
know,
the differences are there where you're asking
yes,
him, would this be accepted and would that
कि
be
मैं अपना
accepted?
नाम बदलूंगी नहीं, ये नाम मुझे बाबा ने दिया था, you know. So uh, I I am sticking to my guns, and he is being very accept, you know. It also shows that how people tear relationships apart because of religion, because of culture, when they can totally get together in a very beautiful way, like Usman and Romita does in Seasons Greetings, and end up together. So that aspect of it, whether it's the gay relationship, I won't really release much about the gay aspect. People, you guys have to watch it. We have a trans
On Z5.
on
Please go and
Z5.
watch it.
Yes, and I just wanted to say thank you to Colorbox. Colorbox has been leaving some wonderful messages here. I'm so sorry, I have some network issues, so as a result, my messages are scrolling up very slowly. Rishabh is a very dear fan from Indore, and he has been very loyal, very devoted, very loving, and on every Instagram, IG, since I started promoting the film, and every day over the last few years, he sent me a message. I want to thank Rishabh for his love. It really means a lot. My fans mean a lot to me, so thank you, Rishabh. I love you, and thank you for being there for this IG also.
And
There
there
is
is Rage by
the
DK
closet.
Closet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rage the closet is my friend.
Okay,
So
so he's saying big thanks for
yeah.
the entire community and the lovely movie to you and Ram.
Thank you, and thank you for the compliment on the eyeliner. I love eyeliner. I think we Indian girls are very lucky. Eyeliner always looks good on us. In fact, Asian girls are very lucky, I should say so. So eyeliner looks good on all of us, and I'm sure if you put it too, you will look fabulous. So thank you for the compliment. Rage the closet, love you too, Indu. Thank you for being here. Inder is there on most of my IGs to make sure I'm not up to nonsense.
So we are going to ask you one more little thing, which is not connected to season's greetings, but since you're
Okay.
from Lucknow और
Okay.
आपकी उर्दू बहुत अच्छी है, मेरी उर्दू बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है. I'm still trying the k and the k. Like I try saying it, but you can't make out the difference. But I'm learning. So उर्दू में आप हमें कुछ सुनाइए.
वो कौन है? वो कौन है जो मेरे चश्मोतर में रहता है? वो कौन है जो मेरे चश्मोतर में रहता है? अजीब शख्स है जो पानी के घर में रहता है. Chashmotar means the water of my eyes.
Wow. Thank you for this beautiful book on hai. Okay, so there is Rajesh Mansukhani. He's like, CJ, you do so much for the causes. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Somsuna
Rajesh.
saying, oh my god, what a beauty. Yes, she is totally super beauty. Like, we can just keep looking at her. And he's
Oh,
wondering, why
God.
don't you do a lot of Bollywood movies? She's going to do a lot more. We're going to see her very, very often. And Serena, when you come to Bombay, you have to catch up, not live, but personally live.
Yes, absolutely. I'm like amazed that when I was in Bombay, I never caught up with wonderful people like you. And I'm so looking forward when I come next after the lockdown is over
After
and
the
the
lockdown.
flights resume. So, how's your lockdown going, Shweta?
I'm making the most of it. I feel like as if I'm in some Corona tower, and so I'm painting, I'm reading, I'm writing, watching beautiful movies like Season Greetings and all
Oh,
on
thank
Amazon, Netflix, Z5. So going on, how's your lockdown going there with the kiddos?
I never thought I'd be promoting a film in a global lockdown. So, either I'm in front of the camera promoting the film, or I am running with a jhadu behind my son. So you can
I was
imagine
just
the
about to
big
say.
disparity. There is only one Indian in somewhere on the Alps in Austria running with a jhadu in her hand behind the kids. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay, thank you, Rajesh. He's complimenting us that we both are looking very good. Arey, mujhe
Oh,
dekh
so
liya. Thank you.
And Rage was Inder was saying that Ram should make part 2 of Season's Greetings. So that Inder,
I
you can
totally
tell Ram.
agree. Ram, if you're in the balcony and you can see us live or you can hear us live, then you should make a part 2, because once I don't want to disclose a lot, but once the end happened, I wanted to know a lot more. I wanted to know the daughter's story more. I wanted to know the mom's story
Thank you,
more.
Rajesh. Thank you so much, Shweta. You talk such wonderful things for our film, for us. I am very touched by your support and your reaching out to me for this IG, and I'm so looking forward that our friendship remains through all your films and mine. And for your film, we do an IG also very soon. And
Fingers crossed,
yes,
inshallah.
or we work together soon as well.
Oh, that
And
would be like
yeah.
a treat for me, and I'm sure we'll be like hilarious. We'll be only laughing. I think the director will be like, these two just don't stop talking and laughing. I can just
And
visualize that.
and I want to say there are there is a trans beauty queen online with us also, Shweta. Her name is Navya. She's
Hi, Navya.
trans Miss India, and she is very sweet of her to come on this chat as well. So thank you for being here, Navya. Navya is a gorgeous, beautiful woman whose story is very, very strong. Thank you for being here. And they see Devendra is saying, wonderful to see both of you. Thank you. We both are very
Thank
thankful.
you.
And thank you, Rehan Haji, for your message. And there was somebody's birthday, but I missed their name. So if you are here still live, I think both me and Shweta would like to wish you a happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
I don't know where you are, and if you're still online, do type your name for us to see.
So how was it working with Lilith ma'am? Like, for the first time, like you said, she's a thespian. I've seen a lot of her plays, and then, doing a movie with her and playing totally a character which is not like actually your character. Like, you're not a Bengali. So, with all of this, what was it like working with her?
I think for me, it was very emotional because she reminded me so much of my own mom. She was so much like her. I was, as it is, I was very low that time because I had just lost both my parents. And to see her, if you see, Inder would be somewhere online here. Inder would also say, there are certain shots where she gave so many glimpses of my own mom that it was difficult for me to see that and react to her at times because it was emotionally very stressful for me to deal with that. So thanks to Ram, we did a couple of workshops, so we were able to go somehow sail through the thing, but it was not easy. It was not easy. Having said that, I got to learn a lot of things from her. A lot of things which I have never learned in my entire journey as an actor. So I was very fortunate that she was very kind, very accepting, and she worked with me on the script even before we went on floor.
Oh, wow.
So we worked a lot together in the workshops that we did, and that helped. That really helped. I literally came out as a enhanced actor, and I am very thankful to her and Ram for making this happen. Really.
Amazing, because I've seen her a lot of plays. Like, I love watching her on stage, and then watching the two of you on the screen was like obviously a visual delight. Like I said, every frame was a poem.
You are so
And
sweet. Thank you.
so, any tips for our fans who are getting into acting, and just some quick tips for them?
Quick tips into acting. Okay. So, first and foremost is that if you really want to make yourself be seen, always pay attention to what kind of work you are doing. No work is small work, and no big work is big enough. So remember that. So if you truly believe even in a 1 minute scene, do it because your heart says that you should do it. That is
Wow.
the thing which is important. The one who has to be seen will be seen anyways. Don't get disheartened, and always remember that before you do anything in life, complete your studies. That is something that I would recommend to everyone. Do your graduation and then do it side by side. Don't give up on everything else in life to become X, Y, or Z. It is very important that you make a base for yourself, which is your education, and then you go and do whatever you want.
That is so true. Education is really important, and how it helps us in what way we never know. Like, I totally agree with you on that. So, how was it when you did your first movie?
Very good. I was so fortunate to be launched by Khan Saab. I loved Firoz Khan, and he loved me too a lot. I loved him, and this was not the love which a lot of people would misconstrue. This is just an unsaid love between an actor and her director and her friend. And I had so much respect and so much love, and I understood why he would get angry, why he was the way he was. I just loved him despite all that. And I absolutely adored Mr. Khan, and he treated me like a princess on the sets, and it was a beautiful experience shooting Janasheen for me. It indeed
Which
was.
is your favorite song from Janashi?
दिल दीवाना बेकरार होने लगा है. And
Yeah, it
Akhiya
was.
Akhiya also.
And
So
which, back then obviously there was no OTT and any of those things, and today OTT is a very big platform, rather, like, and especially in lockdown, it's all about OTT.
yeah.
So, being a part of OTT, what do you have to say about OTT platforms?
I think it's great that there are OTT platforms, especially at a time like this. You don't have to leave your houses and go out to be edited. Thank God, in amidst the lockdown, we have something called an OTT platform. And also for people who really cannot take out the time to go, and I think entertainment should be every human being's right. And it is so wonderful because that's the only thing which gives them a break from the regularities of their daily monotony of their daily lives. So it's so wonderful that thanks to OTT platform, people can get that entertainment at home, and they don't really have to step out, haven't given any commitments like children or older parents, or the fact that they don't get time because of their jobs to go out. I think it is so
True.
wonderful that they can come back, and they have access to wonderful selection of programs on their TV that they can watch, and not restricted to a certain program which comes at a certain time on a television or something like that. Having said that, there is one drawback, that I think there is too much negative content
Yeah.
also on OTT platforms, and I wish that more positive content would go on there, because at the end of the day, we are going into people's bedrooms and drawing rooms, and we are literally becoming a part of their daily life within their houses, and it is so important to keep it a little bit positive, little bit less free of sexual violence,
Yeah, true.
or violent language or violent murders. So it would be nice that we do stuff. Yes, of course, it's good to do stuff like this, it is creative stuff, but I think it's just because somebody makes something really amazing, everybody starts following that and makes 20, there then 20 more things which try to copy to become that one amazing thing. And then it just gets into a negative state. So I wish people would make more positive stuff, and that's my only thing. Otherwise, I'm a big supporter and big fan of OTT platforms.
What are you watching on OTT lately that has kept you hooked?
What am I watching? I'm so sorry to say this, and I may sound very selfish, but I love watching seasons ratings on OTT.
I can understand it. Like, I want to watch it again with my mom, and I want to show her the movie, so I can understand how glued you
And
might
I
be
don't
to
get
it.
time besides that to watch it. The only time I get to watch, because of the film promotions and other commitments, the only time I get to watch anything is before I go to sleep, and I try to keep it very positive. I've been watching the Big Bang Theory starting from season 1
Oh
onwards all
wow.
over again. I absolutely love it. I'm very sad Friends went away from Netflix. I used to really love watching that. I watch a couple of programs on Amazon Prime also, and yeah, it's been great. There is some. I've been watching Vodka Diaries. It's very nice. Absolutely loved it, and I've been watching. I'm looking forward to watching some more new stuff after the promotions are over.
I love Vodka Diaries too. Instead,
Yeah.
Kushal and I did a movie together called Break the Shackles,
Oh,
and
okay, okay. Is it on an OTT?
it is online, and I'll send you the link.
Please
So
do
Kushal
send me.
had
I'd
only
love to
directed
watch
it,
it.
and
Okay.
it was a short film on Women's Day, which said about Break the Shackles. Just like 5 minutes movie, but it was good fun working with Kushal.
Yeah, yeah. Kushal is a very good director as well, and I love his work. And I love comedies. So for me, I'm a person who's very fond of watching comic stuff, or I love romance. I love
Oh,
I love being overwhelmed and doused in romance. So that's why I think Season's Greetings is a good watch because then you can propagate a very different sort of romantic
True.
aspect. It's poetic. It's so if people are interested in watching something which is culturally poetic, it's a good film to watch.
It totally is. It is high on literature, I can say, be it the way the letter is written, be it the paintings in the house, like the way the house is made, everything about it. Actually, there is nothing that, I can be like, okay, this is something I would have messaged you, like, oh, you or whatever. Okay, so there is somebody, Varun Jain, asking, have you tried the Dalgona coffee? Since everyone
Yeah,
has.
everybody is trying that. No, yeah, I haven't tried it. I am so going to try it, believe me, very soon. And I will post a video of that once I get it.
But that is after the Egypt video.
Yeah, that is after the Egypt video. Yeah.
Because we're waiting for the Egypt video.
Yeah.
And we're going to send Ram to the balcony to like it.
Thank you, Rishabh, for your beautiful comment for our film. It's very sweet. Everything in the movie is so authentic and touching. Thank you.
So Varun is saying you're so positive. Yeah, I totally agree with you, Varun. I think she's super positive and I'm so happy to connect with her. And her smile is infectious, so it automatically makes a person positive. Shireen Design and Co is asking, how are you, Selena? Hope all well.
Yes, thank you so much. All is well. Sumit is saying I broke his heart. I don't know, Sumit, how I broke your heart, but I hope that I can send you a band-aid to fix it.
I think, Sumit, you should just watch Season's Greetings. All broken hearts will be mended. So just go and watch Season Greetings on ZEE5.
Thank you, dear. So I would love to continue this. In fact, we should definitely do another one in the coming course. So because people love us so much together. But I have to be online with Bombay Times.
So before we sign out, is there something you want to tell all your beautiful fans just before we sign out?
I just want to tell them that Shweta is a wonderful girl. She has an infectious personality. She has been such a good sport, and she's a great colleague as an actress. And I'm so happy that I came here and got to know her a little bit more on this IG. And thank you for having me, Shweta. Thank you for your wonderful words for Season's Greetings. And all of you here, thank you for being here. Do watch Season's Greetings. And Varun Jain is saying Guru Dutt wala dialogue. Yes, Varun, thank you so much. Please leave your messages on my Instagram and let me know how you like the film. It's streaming now on ZEE5 Premium and ZEE5. Thank you, Ansari. You are a big fan of mine from Pakistan. Thank you for being here. Rishabh, thank you for being here. Indu, thank you for being here. Khilari Fitz, thank you so much. Reham,
Maheshwari, thank you for coming live.
And somebody is asking, wie geht es dir? Mir geht es gut, danke. So I'm just replying in German to them. There's some people speaking German.
Okay, so people, now you all can join her live with Bombay Times and enjoy that live. And we are going to put this thing on the IGTV. So if your friends have missed it, please do tell them to come and watch it.
Yes, do save it and send it to me. I will also.
I will for sure. Okay,
lovely.
Nice to chat with you.
Big hug and thank you for your lovely support. God bless you, Shweta. Bye, you all.
Take care. Bye.